In this video, I'll show you how to record videos on your iPhone without stopping your music, a new feature in iOS 18. If you've been frustrated with your music pausing every time you try to record a video, this quick solution will fix that. Before we begin, make sure you've updated your iPhone to iOS 18. To check, open your settings, go to General, and then tap Software Update to verify that you're running iOS 18. Once your iPhone is updated, let's get started. Open your music player and play a song. Now, exit the music app while your song is still playing. Next, open the camera app on your iPhone. Tap the shutter button to start recording a video. You'll notice that the music keeps playing while you're recording. This is a great way to capture moments without having to pause or stop your playlist. For this demonstration, I'll record my laptop while the music continues in the background. The song won't pause or stop, and you can record your video without any interruptions. That's how you can film videos while listening to music on iOS 18. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.